Hi there. Today I'm going to add the off-limit sensor to my Landroid. Now, just like the eyes, this should be very simple. First of all, this is all powered off. And we open up this box here. Now, if you get confused what box to open up, it says off-limits on it. Now you see this is recessed here. I figure that's for a reason. So, we'll take the connector, plug it in. So now I have a problem. It doesn't fit in. This housing box here, I see they've changed several times, and mine needs to have 2 slots. Now I'm guessing that the electronics are the same, so this little piece here that's blocking this going in, I'm just going to cut that down. Cut off the tab with a thick pair of scissors, and now it fits. Just screw this back together. Now, unlike when I installed the eyes, I don't see anything displayed on this home screen that wasn't there already. So how does this sensor work? It looks for this magnetic cord, and you lay this on the ground similar to the boundary wire, only this is inside your boundary. So eventually I'm going to run the radio wire under here, and I'm going to use the magnetic cord as kind of a backup. This will go along this crack here, just in case it jumps the radio wire. So today I'm going to just try this in my problem area here with the shed, where the paving stones are too low for the eyes to see. A little bit high, the bumpers maybe work, it gets stuck sometimes. So, put the cord out here. It says 13 inches, that seems excessive to me, but just temporary. I can certainly adjust it. Use a pair of scissors, cut it like that. Comes with stakes, just like the boundary wire. And we'll put it down. And that should be it. This sees the magnetic cord. It works. Good job.